Good morning. Today we are going to some problems, that is exercise problems. Exercise problems. So in previous class we solved the problems on divergent and gradient. In this class we solve on curl. So some problems. So that is in yesterday class, what do you mean by solenoidal? Solenoidal means that is del dot f is equal 0. So del dot f is equal 0. Here f is called solenoidal. So in a way del cross f is equal 0. Here f is called irrotational. It is called irrotational. So now, del cross f, that is curl f is equal to 0, that is irrotational. So some one problem is we can see. So show that f is equal y square minus z square plus 3yz minus 2x into I plus 3xz plus 2xy into j plus 3xy minus 2xz plus 2z into k is irrotational. So now we prove that. So here the vector f is irrotational. So irrotational means we prove that is curl f is equal 0. So then here f is the irrotational. So we can solve this one. So solve. So here curl f. So curl f is equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, and here I means y square minus z square plus 3yz minus 2x. So here y j 3xz plus 2xy. So last one is 3xy. So I can write this side minus 2xz plus 2z. So this is curl f. So simplify this one. So here I into so this one and this one gets so dou by dou y of this one. So dou by dou y of 3xy minus 2xz plus 2z minus dou by dou z of 3xz plus 2xy. This is one term. Next plus j into here this one dou by dou x of this one. So dou by dou x of 3xy minus 2xz plus 2z minus here j into this one and dou by dou z of dou by dou z of y square minus z square plus 3yz minus 2x. This is under term. Next last one is plus k into here k into this is negative dou by dou x of this one. So I can write this plus k into dou by dou x of 3xz plus 2xy minus dou by dou y of so this one y square. I can drop this one. So So dou by dou y of y square minus z square plus 3yz minus 2. This is good. So now, so here I into, so with respect to y differentiate this one. So here 3xy. In this 3x is constant with respect to y is 1. So that is 3x. So 3x. Next 2x, this is 0 and this is also 0. So minus dou by dou z of, here z is 1. So that is minus 3x. And remaining with respect to z, here no z. So this is the 0. So this is closed. Next plus j into, here dou by dou x of this term. Here 3xy. In this 3y is constant and x with respect to x value is 1. So that is remaining 3y. And 3 minus 2xz. Here x is 1. So minus 2z. So here 2z is 0. So this one. Next minus, so dou by dou z of y square. Y square is 0 and minus z square. Here minus into minus is plus, and with respect to z, x to the power of, where d by dx of x to the power of n, the formula is n into x to the power n minus 1. So here that is 2z. So 2z. And with respect to z, this is plus into minus minus, that is minus 3y. Minus 3y. So next minus 2x, that is 0. So this is closed. Next plus k into, here k into, so dou by dou x of this one. So 3xz, here x value is 1, that is 3z. 3z. Next plus 2xy. So here x 1. So that is 2y. Plus 2y. Minus dou by dou y of this one. So here y square. Y square is 2y and this is minus inside. So that is minus 2y. And with respect to yz, so that is 0. And next 3yz. So 3yz in y is value is 1. Next plus into minus, here minus. So minus y is 1. So the value is 3z. And minus into minus plus, but here 2x. So with respect to y the value is 0. So we can see that here I into 3x minus 3x, that is 0. And j into 3y minus 2z plus 2z plus j into 3y minus 2z plus 2z minus 3y. Here plus 3y and here minus 3y, here minus 2z plus 2z. So gets cancelled. So that is 0 into j. Here plus k into, here plus 3z and here minus 3z, here plus 2y minus 2y. So that is totality the get cancelled. So that is 0. So finally we get what is the value of curl. So that is here 0 into I plus 0 into j plus 0 into k. So that is 0. Therefore here curl f is equal to 0. Therefore the given vector f is what? F is irrotational. F is irrotational. So this is the values are different. So remaining we have ui plus 0 therefore here f is irrotational. F is irrotational. So we prove that like this f is irrotational and is true. So similarly we can solve under one. So like this. So again the problem is there. So that is in the problem show that u is equal y square z comma minus z square sin y plus 2xyz comma 2z cos y 2z cos y plus y square x is irrotational. Same, this is the similar problem in previous. So that is, so here previous problem, that is here f is equal 1 vector is there to prove that f is irrotational. Here show that u is equal this one and is irrotational. So now what is we can prove? So that is here del cross u or curl u is equal to 0. So we can prove that curl u is equal 0 or del cross u is equal 0. So we can solve this problem or I can solve. So this is the homework one. So we try to it. So I can continue on the runnings. Okay. Time waste. So next problem. If any of the constants a and b is the vector field, u is equal to y cos x plus axz comma b sin x plus z comma x square plus y irrotational. So what do you understand? So here the problem is for what values if any of the constants a and b is the vector field u is equal y cos x plus axz comma b sin x plus z comma x square plus y irrotational. So here what we find the values of a and b. So we find a and b values. So suppose a and b values find out, here substitute a value and here substitute b value, then we find the curl, then we find the curl u, so that is the value is 0. So then curl u is equal 0, so u is irrotational. So that is our problem. So first, so solution. So here given vector function u is equal to y cos x plus axz b sin x plus z comma x square plus y. So first we find curl u. So then curl u is irrotational given, so that is equal to 0. Then we have the values of a and b. So we find first curl u. So here curl u or del cross u. So curl u is equal. So first we find curl u or del cross u, that is I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z and y cos x plus axz, y cos x plus axz b sin x plus z. So last one is x square plus y. So this is curl. So here I into, so like this, dou by dou y of dou by dou y of x square plus y minus dou by dou z of b sin x plus j. Next, minus j into, so here minus j into dou by dou x of, just a minute, dou by dou y of x. So minus j into dou by dou x of x square plus y minus dou by dou z of y cos x plus ax z plus k into dou by dou x of b sin x plus z minus dou by dou y of dou by dou x of minus dou by dou y of y cos x plus ax z plus ax z. So that is equal by dou y of. So we also know that differentiation. So I can directly write. So dou by dou y of x square plus y. So this is the 0 and plus 1. So 0 plus 1 minus dou by dou z of b sin x is 0 and dou by dou z of z. So z value is 1. So minus j into dou by dou x of this one. So here 2x minus, so dou by dou z at this value is 0, plus into minus minus with respect to z ax plus k into dou by dou x of, so here b is constant, sin x differentiation is cos x, so that is cos x, here z value is 0. Next, minus dou by dou y of, here cos x is constant with respect to y, this value is 1, so cos x. Next, plus into minus minus here, but ax z, in this term there is no y value, so this value is 0. So here minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so that is 0 I. So here x is common, or minus j into 2x minus ax plus k into b cos x minus cos x, or we can cos x is outside. So next, but for the vector is irrotational, for the vector to be irrotational. So that is curl u is equal to 0. Curl u is equal to 0. So we can take this value is equal to 0. So we get the values. So that is, this is the curl u. So that is minus j into 2x minus ax plus k into b cos x minus cos x is equal to 0. So we can write 0 as 0i plus 0j plus 0k. So that is 0 means 0i plus 0j plus 0k. We are comparing on both sides. So that is minus j into, so j quotient is, so here minus 2x plus ax is equal to 0, and here b cos x minus cos x is equal to 0. So that is, first one is, so this one here minus 2x is equal to minus ax. Here minus minus and x is cancelled. That is therefore a is equal to. So here this one b cos x is equal to 0. So that is b cos x is equal to cos x. Here both sides cos x gets cancelled. So b is equal to 1. So therefore here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. So what is the values of a and b? So we find the values of a and b is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. So where a is equal to and b is equal to 1, the vector u is the irrotational. So this is the answer. The values is a is equal to and b is equal to 1. This is very important in examination point of view. The small question 4 marks are in long question. So we can do a and b. So bring that one a or b. Next note. Write down the note. So if f is conservative, then so curl f is equal to 0. Curl f is equal to 0 and f is called conservative. So it is also curl f is equal to 0. F is irrotational and sometimes it is called conservative. So like that one problem we can solve. So determine whether or not determine whether or not the vector field f is equal sin y x comma 0 is conservative. So here what is our problem? Determine whether or not the vector field f, given vector field f is sin by x comma 0. It is conservative or not? Suppose if it is conservative, so we can find the curl f. Suppose curl f is equal to 0, then f is conservative. So if curl f is not equal to 0, f is not a conservative. So we can solve this one. So solution, given vector field is f is equal sin y comma x comma 0. First we can find curl f. So curl f is equal I j k dou by dou x dou by dou by dou by dou z and sin y x comma 0. So now this is equal I into dou by of 0. Dou by of 0 minus dou by dou z of x minus j into, so here dou by dou x of 0 minus dou by dou z of last term is dou by dou x of x, dou by dou x of x minus dou by dou y of sin y. So that is equal. So here this is 0 and this one is also 0. So that is 0 I minus j into, so this is 0. Next with respect to z sin y is also 0. So that is 0 into j plus k into, here dou by dou x of x. So with respect to x the value is 1 minus dou by dou y of sin y. So here sin y with respect to y, sin y, derivative of sin y is what? It is cos y. So cos y. So therefore the value, final value is 1 minus cos y into k. So So here the value is 0 or not equal 0. The value is not equal 0. So that is here curl, what we say, u or n. So curl f is not equal 0. Suppose if curl f is equal 0, then here f is called conservative. But here curl f is not equal 0. Therefore, the given vector field is not conservative. The given vector field is not conservative. Not conservative.